Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling like your Wix website could use a fresh new look, but you're not sure how to give it a makeover, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to change your website's theme or template in Wix. Yes, it's possible. You'll discover how to switch things up and make your site really reflect your own style. And it's simpler than you might think. Let's jump straight in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the creative magic happens. If you're already logged in, you'll see a list of your current sites. Just click on the one you're ready to update. Think of this dashboard like the cockpit of an airplane. It's where you control everything that your visitors see. Once your site is open, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical menu running down the left edge. Here, you're looking for an option called Site Design. It might sound a bit technical, but it's really just the central spot for all your layout and styling choices. Go ahead and click Site Design. This panel is essentially your wardrobe for your website. It's where you decide what aesthetic your site is wearing. After you've opened the Site Design panel, you'll see a button, usually highlighted in blue, that says Change Theme. This is what we're after. Clicking this option is a bit like opening a catalog of possible outfits for your site. Each theme offers a different vibe. Some are sleek and modern, others are playful and colorful, and some are ideal for businesses or portfolios. Now, here comes the fun part, exploring and choosing your new look. Wix does a great job of letting you preview these themes, so you can really get a sense of how each one will look in action. Don't feel pressured to make a decision right away. Take your time scrolling through the options. You might be surprised at how much a simple change in color scheme or font style can jazz up your website's overall feel. When you spot a theme that catches your eye, all you need to do is click on it. Wix quickly applies the new template to your site, and you'll see the changes instantly right there on your editor screen. This is where you can pause for a moment and really look at the transformations. If you're not sure about a theme, don't worry. You can go back and try other options until you find the perfect fit. It's kind of like trying on clothes in a store. Sometimes it takes a few tries to nail your style. A little reminder, changing your theme might adjust things like your fonts, colors, and layout, but your actual content, your text, images, and pages will stay right where you left them. Wix makes it easy to experiment without losing your hard work. If you see anything that needs a little tweaking after switching themes, like a photo that looks out of place, just move it around in the editor until everything looks spot on. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, your site has a brand new look and is ready for the world to see. It's amazing how a small change like updating your theme can breathe new life into your online presence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your favorite Wix themes. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.